Right, so it's Tuesday morning. We're meeting some people at Sweets Grill this morning, but also because where we are, Par, there was, believe it or not, a wallaby loose yesterday. So we're thinking, would we see the wallaby? Don't know, you reckon?
We're going on a wallaby hunt.
Okay.
Snowland Angling Centre.
Snowland Angling Centre. Yes, there we go. That's really pretty. So we are eventually, probably, or definitely, going to Polkerris for the first time to try and fly as well. So, pubs involved, but to start with,
Never.
breakfasts involved. Been having a look online at the breakfast that Sweets provides, and somebody went.
Yay!
So let's just wait and see how it goes. Just waiting on some friends arriving, and we'll all go in together. This is the aftermath of breakfast. Yes, Susie's smile. Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Hot butter waffle with ice cream sprinkles.
Hot butter waffle with ice cream sauce, sprinkles and sauce. Chocolate or strawberry? There'll be chocolate. There'll be chocolate. Yeah. Overload strawberry.